The use of the word ไป In Thai sentence structure, we have subject, verb, and object. If we use the word ไป as a verb, it means to go. For example, ปุ้ยไปตลาดทุกสัปดาห์ปุ้ยไปตลาดทุกสัปดาห์ปุ้ย is my name ไป means to go ตลาด is a market ทุก means every สัปดาห์ means a week or weeks ปุ้ยไปตลาดทุกสัปดาห์ means I go to a market every week. The second use of it, we put the word ไป after an adjective to means that adjective is too much. For example, if we say อ่อนไป อ่อน means soft อ่อนไป means it's too soft. Or แข็งไป แข็ง means hard แข็งไป means it's too hard. Sometimes we also add the word เกิน before the ไป For example, ดังเกินไป ดัง means to be loud or to be noisy, and เกิน means too much, which is like over than it should be. ดังเกินไป is too noisy, is too loud, is too much. Or ดีเกินไป ดี is good เกินไป is too much, so ดีเกินไป means it's too good, it's too much. We use ดีเกินไป mostly for a couple or in a relationship. For example, เขาดีเกินไป it means that he's too good for her. มากเกินไปมาก means many or a lot เกินไป is too much มากเกินไป means it's too much, and we mostly use this phrase in a situation where someone did something which crossed the boundary. So if someone say his action is มากเกินไป it means that action is too much and it's inappropriate. We also use the word ไป with the verb like ให้ให้ไป which means have given. For example, ใจที่ให้ไปใจ is heart and ให้ไป is have given, so my heart that I have given. สิ่งที่ให้ไปสิ่ง means a stuff. สิ่งที่ให้ไป means a stuff that I have given. Sometimes we use the word ไป in this structure. Verb ไป verb มา which means that an action that we have repeated doing. For example, กินไปกินมา so it means that I have eaten it again and again, or I have been eating it and then, or ทำไปทำมาทำ means to do, so ทำไปทำมา means I have repeatedly done it, or I have been doing it and then, or ดูไปดูมา do means to watch, so ดูไปดูมา means I have repeatedly watched it. We usually use the word ดูไปดูมา in a sense that we consider something after we have been seeing some situation or something, and then we say ดูไปดูมา We also use the word ไป after the word แล้วแล้วไป means just to let it go, just forgive it. And we sometimes say จัดไป soจัด basically means to arrange, but we say จัดไป in the sense of the meaning that let's do it. I hope you have learned something new or some new vocabulary and keep learning Thai. We will keep teaching Thai to you. I've got to go now. ไปแล้วนะคะ See you in the next video สวัสดีค่ะ